All right, mathematicians, we now know how to use multiplication to find area of a polygon. But what if we have a more complex polygon like the one that appears on the screen? Suddenly I'm not so sure how to just multiply length times width when I see three different numbers. So what do we do when we come across figures such as these? Well, the first thing you're going to do is separate the polygon into two rectangles. Well, now things are starting to look a little more familiar. I recognize one distinct rectangle here and another distinct rectangle here. I'm feeling like this is going to be easy enough to solve. So let's take a look at what we do next. All right, now we need to find the area of each rectangle. I've labeled here this very first rectangle. Well, we know to find area, we have to multiply length times width. All right, well, here we have a width of 4 feet, but wait a second. What is the length of this rectangle? Well, this is where we have to use what we already know. We know that this entire length here is 9 feet across. And we know that in this rectangle here, there is a length of 3 feet. Are you getting an idea to figure out how to find this missing length, this portion right here? If you're thinking that we need to do some subtraction, you're absolutely correct. Let's take a look. To find the length, we're going to take this long side of 9 feet, subtract this 3 feet right here to get the remaining portion. So length is 9 feet minus 3 feet. When you subtract, we now know that our length is 6 feet. Awesome! First thing I want to do is to go ahead and label now with my new information. Well, it looks like we can use our strategy of multiplication to find the area of this rectangle. Area is length times width. Plug in the numbers. That's 6 feet times 4 feet. Multiply it out, 24 square feet. Awesome! So, we're not quite done with this problem yet. Remember, it's a complex polygon, so we have more than just this one rectangle. We now have our second rectangle. Well, area is length times width. When you look at our rectangle, we see 3 feet by 8 feet. This should be a simple multiplication problem. Go ahead and plug your numbers in. Area is 3 feet times the 8 feet. Multiply them out. Our total is 24 square feet. Do you think we're done? Not quite. There's still one more step. Let's take a look at what has to happen next. We have 24 square feet of area for this rectangle, 24 square feet of area for this rectangle. Any ideas of what we're going to do to find the total area of the entire figure? We're going to add 24 square feet for this rectangle plus 24 square feet of this rectangle equals a total of 48 square feet. Wow, that was quite a problem to work through, mathematicians. But you see that when you break things apart and you work step by step, it's just as easy and simple to find the area of complex rectangles or complex polygons. Continue on to practice using the links provided with IXL, and they have a whole interactive activity doing exercises just like this one. Good luck!